What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. It's small, but we pack a punch. This is by Wosports. This is a laser rangefinder. And before you think to yourself, I don't golf, this normally typically is for golf, but also hunting, other type of sports, but they typically are used in golf. We're gonna get to all the different features of it, what it can do, but just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below is going to be this exact same rangefinder. So if I forget to mention anything in the video that you are intrigued about, look at that link in the description box below, and that should answer any questions. You guys over in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will link for you guys as well in the UK. If they don't sell it in the UK, I will link one very similar to it. That again is in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get it over here on the counter. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we have. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. All right, let's take a look at the rangefinder. Let's get it on out of here. It does, of course, have to be used with a battery, but that is provided. We have our case. We have our carabiner hook on the backside with a belt loop right there. If you want to go ahead and tie that onto your backpack if you're hunting. If you're golfing, obviously you can remove that carabiner if you desire. Put that around your belt loop in the cup holder of your golf cart. Or what I personally do is clip that onto your golf bag because I walk. Let's set that aside for just real quickly. And we also have a wrist strap if you rather go that option there. You also have a little manual. You also have your microfiber cleaning cloth, and you have another operation manual, and I think this is just the this is the welcome card here. And that's gonna do it for the box. Real briefly here, it's gonna take too long to go ahead and read through this. This is the product model here, but the specs is what we wanna do. So go ahead and pause that, read through it here. This tells you about the battery, the weight of it, the dimensions, the operating temperature, the laser type, the measuring range speed, the angle, the range, the accuracy, etc. there. Those are actually very important specs. Before we take it through a nice little run here, you have your angle, slope, your meter, your yards. You can flip it between yards and meters. It does have speed mode as well, which is absolutely fantastic. I will be using that to actually clock the speed of my Razor electric dirt bike. Okay, that's enough specs for right now. Let's go ahead and pull this guy on out. Ah, yes, the case is actually magnetic, as we can see here, and that will go ahead and hold on you here. Let's go ahead and remove the carabiner, and let's go ahead and test out that magnetic flap. Yep, that's definitely not gonna go anywhere on you. Very nice. Okay. So let's get this out of the plastic here and let's take it for a nice little run here. We have Wosports logo right here, the H100. We do have a tripod screw mount on the bottom here. That's if you are hunting and you want it completely still up on a tripod stand, etc. We're gonna get to the battery compartment in just a second here. You have your power button, your mode button right on top. Here we have our twist, obviously for focus. On this side, our Wosports logo. And this is a very nice, it's if you're used to kind of those like weatherproof, kind of silicone a little bit. So overall, it's coated in this kind of silicone. The black portion feels like it might be a little bit more, but the white does feel like it's coated in some of that kind of almost a silicone-based weatherproofing type plastic. On the bottom here would be your wrist strap little tie in there. And here we have our lenses right here. And then we will of course be viewing it through the viewfinder, but this is our viewfinder here with our battery compartment here. You go ahead and take that on down right there. And we need to put our battery in right here. All right, let's go ahead and look through the viewfinder here just briefly. And sorry, sometimes it's a little tricky doing it through the camera like this, but let's go ahead and power that back on here. And it goes into sleep mode after, I think about maybe 10 seconds or so. But here we have mode 1 here. So let's get the tree reading, and you hold down the power button, and then we get our 13.4 there in the bottom right, as you can see. And then we are in mode 1. You can see top left there. It goes into sleep mode after a little bit. Let's go ahead and try that one more time. Let's get the top of the tree there. And that's coming in at 13.4, and again, we are in mode 1. We have our little angle symbol right on the top left there. Let's go ahead and take a clean reading again. Once again, hold that down. It goes into a cross right in the middle there, 13.4. Our angle is 0%. And so that's what it looks like, obviously, without it in front of you. And so it's just a little bit tricky to do that shot there. But if you've never used a rangefinder, these are really, really cool. Also great for Frisbee disc golf as well. I've actually used that in Colorado when I was there last trip. Alrighty, I've been using the speedometer feature on this thing and it's pretty cool here. I've been tracking some traffic driving by. It takes a few seconds to lock onto your target and kind of move with it. And it has been working pretty sweetly. We're gonna try our best, again, we don't have a tripod, but we're gonna try our best to maybe lock on some yardage to those homes over there being built here, because unfortunately I'm not playing golf today, but again, this is not just for golfing purposes. Now there is a con, unfortunately, to the speedometer feature. It is only in kilometers per hour. Quick Google search on your phone can determine what it is in miles per hour, but just understand if you're buying it for that specific feature, it only has kilometers per hour and not miles per hour. Now this obviously can go in meters and yards. I have it on yards here in the US, but for other countries that are on the metric system, it has meters. So let's go ahead and just take it and let's go ahead and shine it on those buildings over there. And maybe the lamp pole, as we can see here off in the distance here, we're gonna get some thin objects, make sure that we can track it really nicely here. All right, we're gonna try our best here. And so we are on mode 2. And so what you do is you hold it down and you go right by this pole here and it vibrates 79.2 yards. That's mode 2. That's a pretty cool feature. You just wave it by the flag a couple times as you're holding it down. All right, let's go ahead and shine it here on this tree in mode 1. And we'll go ahead and see the slope, -2 and 36 yards away. Let's go ahead and come on over here to, how about that yellow sign right there, which is a little tricky with one-hand filming, but as you can see here, we're locking on real good. Just 1 degree there. There's our battery indication symbol up there, top right. And let's see, let's try this stump over here. Just giving you guys a few examples here. There it is, 34 yards at 3-degree slope there. Very cool. And it has 6 times magnification and up to 650 yards and 180 yard plus to flagpole. Well guys, a very cool rangefinder, and it is working honestly the same as a rangefinder I've reviewed for over double the price. And I think it definitely has amazing features for the price. So again, in the description box below the video, right below the video, you're gonna see the link for this exact same rangefinder. You guys in the UK, I believe they sell it in the UK. Again, your link will be down in the description box below the video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching the review, and thumbs that button up if it has helped you make an informed decision, and we'll see you guys on the next review. You guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.